Good evening, volleyball fans. We are now heading to our last game in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of Governor Ramon Monmon Vikigo III for our last game. It is the battle between the Municipality of Sual having 2-2 standing versus Municipality of Alaminos having 4-0 standing. So parehong magkatabing municipality ang maghaharap ngayong gabi, volleyball fans. Dito natin makikita kung magkakaroon nga ba ng good start ang Team Sual or magiging consistent pa rin ba ang Team Alaminos and still undefeated for this season. Pare-parehas nating abangan yan mamaya-maya because our last game in the men's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph. Men's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Good evening to everyone. Welcome to the Municipality of Swan and the City of Alaminos. Presenting our official, our first referee, Mr. Alan Murali, National Referee. And our second referee, Mr. Frederick Wapali, National Referee. Players, coaches, technical officials, best of luck and keep the ball alive.
Rariza for the first serve. Marquez to De La Cruz. That is track ball. First point for Team Swal. You are watching this fifth and final match here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex between Swal and Team Alaminos. Serving jersey number 1, Buembo. Marquez. Beltran ginawa ng paraan. Rariza to Credo.
Still serving. Bembo. De La Cruz. Marquez to the middle and score for Radam. Rariza back sets to Kalikdan and a score for jersey number 2. Marquez. Blocked by Credo.
Serving jersey number 6, Cañedo.
Good reception. Marquez back set to Beltran and another block for Credo.
Cañedo.
service error.
Serving jersey number 3, De La Cruz.
And a service ace for the captain.
De La Cruz. Kaligdan.
Rariza to Kaalim.
Kaligdan. Andun si Tempra. Marquez. To Pimentel. Net violation there.
For
For
Pimentel.
jersey number 4, Pimentel. Point for Team Alaminos. Kalikdan.
Service error. For jersey number 2. Serve misreceived. Sinet kay Kaalim and very powerful attack there.
Serving Credo.
And a service
Goes
error.
straight to the net.
Partner, 8-6 pa lang ang score. Nagpupuksa na ang ating mga supporters ng bawat municipality.
They are fun to watch, partner. Now serving Kaalim.
And a service ace for Kaalim. And timeout for Team Swal. 4-point lead here.
6-10. Lamang ng 4 ang Alaminos.
Still serving. Kaalim. Tempra will set it to Pimentel. And good response there for Team Swal.
Pimentel. Kalikdan. Itataas para kay Cañedo.
But that is outside.
That is outside. Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos. Rariza 1-2 play. Andun si Pimentel. Marquez to De La Cruz.
And the point will be awarded to Team Alaminos.
Rariza now serving for Team Alaminos. Tempra gets that one. De La Cruz.
And Daniel Libero, Rariza to Kalikdan. And that is outside.
Marquez now serving.
To Cañedo. And a point for Alaminos City.
Marquez.
To Cañedo. Back-to-back points for Cañedo. 13 serving 9.
Bembo. Tempra is there. Marquez to Radam. Rariza. Cañedo. Blackout point for Team Alaminos. 5-point lead. 14 serving 9. Bembo. Marquez to De La Cruz. Block.
Alaminos City is slowly pulling away. De La Cruz out and Dahao in.
Radam in. Beltran out.
Received by Pimentel. Marquez is set kay Andahao. And point for Team Aswal.
Jersey number 10 serving. Kirby. Rariza to Credo. Point for Team Alaminos. Point for Team Nandun si Rariza. Cañedo, tinas para kay Kalikdan.
And a point for Team Alaminos City. Our official score is 7-10. Lamang po ng 7 ang Team Alaminos City. Cañedo, jump serve. Marquez
Marquez.
back sets to Radam, and Radam is blocked.
#18 serving 10. Jersey number 6 serving. Igana in. Shop no out. Cañedo.
Marquez back set kay Radam. Then si Rariza isi-set kay Kaalim. And then si Marquez. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. Rariza set kay Kalikdan.
Cañedo. Marquez to Igana. That will work. A quick point for Team Sual.
Substitution here. Cañedo out, Rabanal in. And the how. Good reception. Set kay Credo. Delay there by Charm.
Delayed attack there. Now serving jersey number 2, Kalikdan. No, she will be called by the first referee. Kalikdan serving.
Too
Service
much
error.
muscle. Eight-point lead here. 12 serving 20. Good reception. Kaalim, block, setback. To Kaalim again. Andun si Andahaw. Marquez, isiset kay Pimentel. Kalikdan was there, but hindi na may tatawid pa ang bola. And a point for Team Sual.
Kyle serving. Rariza to Kaalim. Off speed attack will work for Kaalim. 21 serving 13.
And timeout for Team Sual. This is our last game for this weekend. Team Sual and Team Alaminos City.
Charm Credo now serving.
Marquez, sinet kay Pimentel. Good save, but point for jersey number 4.
Igana.
Service error for Igana.
Pimentel now serving for Team Sual. Rariza to Rabanal.
And merong natamaan sa mukha sa ating audience.
Pimentel. Rariza to Bembo.
7-point lead here. Now on the service zone, jersey number 9, Rariza. Marquez isiset kay Andahaw, but that is outside.
Serving for the set, jersey number 9, Rariza. Andahao. Marquez sets to Andahao, and that will end our first set.
Back-to-back attack error for Andahao. 25-16. Kuha po ng Team Alaminos City ang first set.
Pimentel. That will sail out
You're
for
still
Team Swal.
watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. This is the last game for today and for this weekend po here at Alaminos City Sports Complex. Nasa second set na po tayo. All one. Here at Alaminos City Sports Complex.
Marquez serving.
Nag-hesitate doon si Enriquez. Service ace for Marquez.
Marquez.
Good reception. Rariza back set to Cañedo. Then yung libero. De La Cruz is blocked.
Bembo now serving. De La Cruz. Marquez to De La Cruz. Pinabawed. That is inside for jersey number 3. De La Cruz. Serving jersey number 10, Kirby. Rariza. Tukalikdan. That is inside for Team Alaminos.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 6, Cañedo. Marquez to the middle. Point for Team Swal.
Pimentel gagawa ng paraan. Nandun si Rariza. Cañedo. Tukalikdan. That is out. Point for Team Swal. Two-point lead for Team Swal. 5 serving 3. Rariza. Kalikdan.
Net violation for Charm Credo. And timeout, Team Alaminos City.
Serving jersey number 3, De La Cruz. Rariza. Tukalikdan. Quick side out. After that timeout for Team Alaminos. Now serving jersey number 2. Kalikdan. Tempra. De La Cruz.
Free ball. Rariza. Combination play, but that is outside.
Beltran serving.
Is received. Free ball, but lucky point for Team Alaminos City.
Charm serving. Kaalim gets that point. Team Swal will now call for time.
Dahil isa na lang po ang kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating second set.
Jersey number 4, Credo. Tempra. Marquez 1-2 play. And we are now tied at 7. Igana in, Shapno out. Credo.
Marquez want to play. But net violation. So another point for Team Alaminos City. Credo. Marquez isiset sa open. And Pimentel gets the point. Deadlock at 8.
Serving jersey number 9. Igana. Rariza to Kaalim. Marquez to Pimentel. Block.
What happened there? Okay, so palitan po tayo dito ng setter for Team Alaminos City. Christian Credo. Okay, serving jersey number 3, Kaalim.
Kaalim.
Sharp serve, Tempra. Isa-set para kay Pimentel and a point for jersey number 4. 9-all.
Pimentel. Credo to Cañedo. De La Cruz is blocked. Marquez to De La Cruz. Point for Team Sual. 10 serving 9. Pimentel.
Christian, set kay Cañedo. Marquez to Anthony. Attack error there. Deadlock at 10.
Christian now serving. Beltran out. Radam in.
Sharp serve. Marquez to Radam. Christian back set to Kalikdan. But net infraction there by Radam.
Christian. Tempra is there. Marquez to Radam. Pimentel tinas para kay De La Cruz. Andun si Enriquez. Christian to Cañedo. Block! And Kirby Radam celebrates that point. Serving jersey number 5. Marquez. What a kneeling set there by Christian to Bembo. Bembo.
Miscommunication there on the side of Team Alaminos City. Serving, jersey number 10, Radam. Received by Enriquez. Christian, but that is outside. Lamang ng isa ang Team Swal. Still serving. Radam. And that is an ace. 2-point lead.
Kirby Radam is still serving.
Almost an ace. Kalikdan, blocked. Christian, bibigay kay Cañedo. Not over.
Three-point lead here for Team Swal. Kirby still serving. Christian to Kalikdan.
Blocked again. And Alaminos City will call for time.
Still serving jersey number 10, Kirby Radam.
Misreceived. Kalikdan, not over. 5-point lead. Substitution. Rariza. Papasok and I think he's okay now kasi nakabalik na siya sa laro natin.
Kirby.
And another ace for Radam. Swal is slowly pulling away.
Six-point lead now for Team Swal. Kirby. Enriquez. Rariza to Credo.
Blocked.
Rariza. Kalikdan off speed.
Good save to Anthony Cañedo. Bibigay sa open. Doug. To Kalikdan. Kalikdan stops the bleeding here.
Cañedo. Marquez.
Catches the line. Point for Shapno.
Team captain now serving. De La Cruz. Kalikdan.
Outside. Nasa 20-point mark na po tayo ng ating second set. Swal with 7-point lead.
De La Cruz.
Service error.
Kalikdan.
Sharp serve. Marquez ibibigay kay Pimentel. Doug. Charm to Kaalim. Blocked. Soft cover. Rariza to Kaalim. And the new libero. Marquez back set to Radam. Rariza to the middle. And Charm converts it to a point.
Baba na po sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos. 15 serving, 20. Kalikdan.
Service error.
Kyle. Ranit. Rariza. Tocredo. What do you call that attack, partner? Credo serving. Tempra is there. Pimentel. Rariza. To Kaalim. That is short on that attack. Shapno. Kaalim. Nandun si De La Cruz. Marquez to Pimentel. Pushes that one. Run it. Joust. Tempra. Pimentel off speed. Rariza to run it. And that will be a point for Team Alaminos.
And it's time for Swal to call for time.
Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan. 18-22.
Kanina, 7 ang kalamangan ng Team Swal. Mahahabol pa ba kaya ng Team Alaminos City or we are going to an extended game. Let's see here.
Tignan natin, partner. Mahabol o magkakaroon ng third and deciding set. Team captain serving. Rabanal. Tempra. Pimentel. Point for Team Swal. Rariza to Bembo.
Radam.
To De La Cruz. Rariza to Kalikdan. That is inside. 19-23. Jersey number 9 serving. Rariza. Marquez to De La Cruz.
And we are now at set point for Team Swal.
Marquez. Rariza to Bembo.
And attack error there. And for the last match, we are going to a third and deciding set.
Wag po kayong alis. Magkakaroon pa po tayo ng third and final deciding set here at the Lamino City Sports Complex. Serving for the first serve in this third set. Rariza. Marquez to De La Cruz. Block. Andun si Pimentel. Tempra to De La Cruz. Andun si Enriquez. Rariza to Bembo. Tempra is there. Marquez for the free ball. Canedo is blocked. Swal for the first point of the third set. Marquez. Kaalim. Rariza to Cañedo in the middle. Tempra couldn't handle that one.
Serving jersey number 1, Bembo. Received by the libero, Marquez to the middle. Credo to Calicdan. Andun si Radam, hinabol ni Marquez.
Rariza to Credo. Block. Andun si Bembo. Rariza to Cañedo. Bembo. Credo. De La Cruz.
And he gets the point. I think dumudugo yung sa kilay ni Marquez kasi tumama siya doon sa...
Tali nung pole
Yes.
ng ating net.
Kaya kanina tinitignan ko siya. Yes, dumudugo nga. But sinabi niya, he's okay.
First aid first, Marquez.
It's really bleeding right now. Timeout for Team Swal.
Nagpa-first aid lang po si Marquez. And he is back to the game. I think he is okay. Serving Kirby. Radam. Enriquez. Calicdan. Andun si Kirby. Pimentel. Free ball. And that won't go through.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 6, Cañedo. De La Cruz, Marquez. And he is blocked.
Serving jersey number 6. Cañedo.
Service error. Third deadlock.
De La Cruz. Calicdan is there. Calicdan. Calicdan now serving. Marquez. Pimentel. Off the block. of jersey number 4. Point for Team Sual. Kyle Radam serving. Rariza. Tocredo. Tempra. Marquez to Pimentel.
Net violation there for Pimentel. 2-point lead here.
Credo. Marquez to Pimentel.
And he gets the score.
Rariza to Bembo. Pushes that one. Net touch violation on Team Sual. Kaalim. Rariza to Cañedo. Kaalim. Rariza to Cañedo. Blocked. Point for Team Sual.
Serving Pimentel. But that is outside.
Rariza now serving. De La Cruz. Tempra. Rariza to Kalikdan is blocked. Kalikdan again. Cross-court attack.
That is outside. 1-point lead.
Jersey number 5 serving Marquez. Kaalim. Rariza to Cañedo. Now serving Bembo. That is a service ace for jersey number 1. And now 3-point lead for Team Alaminos. 10 serving 7. Is a service ace for jersey number 1. Bembo. Now 3-point lead. Tempra is there. Marquez. Rariza, tenas para kay Kalikdan, and that is a point for Team Alaminos. 4-point lead for Team Alaminos. 11 serving 7. Bembo. Marquez to De La Cruz. Block.
That is outside.
Violated ang gusto ng manonood. Please respect our officials. Salamat.
Serving jersey number 10. Kirby.
Service error.
Back to 4-point lead. Team Alaminos. 12 serving 8. Cañedo now serving.
Anthony. Blocked. No coverage on the side of Team Swal. Alaminos is slowly pulling away here. And the third set.
Cañedo. Service out. Official score 13-9. Kalikdan. Kaalim. Rariza to Kaalim. That will be a point for jersey number 3. Kaalim. Serving jersey number 2. Kalikdan. De La Cruz misreceive. Shopno is there. Pimentel ginawan ng paraan. Rariza itinas para kay Kaalim. And that will be a point still for Team Alaminos.
Back-to-back points for Kaalim.
Kalikdan. Marquez to Pimentel. Block. Andun si Tempra. Beltran. Block once again.
Great net defense here on the side of Team Alaminos City.
Kalikdan. Marquez to Shopno.
Serving jersey number 17, Beltran. Service error.
Official score po natin is 17, serving 10. Credo, serving. Marquez. Pimentel ginawa ng paraan. Andun si Ranit. Rariza. Tukalikdan. Off-speed attack. Andun si De La Cruz. 1-2 play. Rariza. Kaalim.
And another point for jersey number 3. 8-point lead. Now on Beltran out, Radam in. Now serving jersey number 4, Credo. Marquez, quick attack. And then si Kalikdan, Kaalim, iniangat. And then si Ranit Rariza to Kaalim. That is outside.
Now serving for team Swal. Shapno. Rariza, one hand set to Bembo. Good ball. To Bembo once again.
And then si Radam.
Shapno to Pimentel. Enriquez is there. 1-2 play. Kaalim is blocked. Point for Team Swal. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos. 12 serving 18. And a service ace. Shapno will be credited for that service ace.
Shapno. Kalikdan sa back row, Marquez to Pimentel. This is a 4-0 run ng Team Swal. Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. Ito po ay third set ng ating last game for this weekend. Rariza to Bembo, miscommunication. And 5-0 run.
Baba sa 3 ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos. 18-15. Enriquez. Rariza to Kaalim.
Blocked. Andun si Kalikdan to Kaalim again. Radam. Pimentel. And another point for Team Swal. From 8-point lead down to 2. Substitution here for Team Alaminos City. Kaalim out, Rabanal in. point for Team Alaminos City.
Kirby is okay. Rabanal.
And a service error committed by the captain.
Pimentel. Rariza to run it.
Reverses the call to Alaminos City. May check ball. (20-17). Ran it out, Cañedo in.
Rariza serving. And then si Kila Cruz is blocked.
(21-17). Balik sa apat.
Rariza. Tempra. Marquez to Kirby. Rabanal is there. Enriquez to Kalikdan. Block. Andun si Bembo. Rariza to Kalikdan once again. That is outside. Called by our first referee. Marquez now serving. Enriquez to Cañedo in the middle. Marquez. De La Cruz pushes that one, but it is outside. Point for Team Alaminos. Serving jersey number 1. Bembo. Tempra. Marquez sa gitna.
Check ball. 3-point lead, 22-19.
Kirby. Radam serving. Rabanal misreceived that one.
Service ace for jersey number 10.
Dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Team Alaminos. Makakahabol o matatapos? Yan ang katanungan. Kirby. Rariza.
And over-receive regalo for De La Cruz.
Down to a 1-point lead here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. 21 serving 22. Kirby Radam. Enriquez is there. Rariza to Kalikdan. Block.
Good save. No. And we are now tied at 22. And the supporters of Team Swal ay nabuhayan dito sa ating third set. Dikitan pa rin tayo dito sa dulo ng ating match.
Kirby Radam still serving. Rariza to Credo.
Nandun si Pimentel
Marquez.
Marquez. To De La Cruz! And Swal gets the lead! Wow! Babalik na dito sa loob si Kaalim.
Kirby Radam.
Misreceived. To Kalikdan.
Rariza. Kalikdan. And that will tie the point. 23 all here at the Alaminos City Complex.
Wow. No words.
No room for error for both teams. Cañedo serving. Pimentel, Marquez sa gitna, Shapno, Tempra is there. Marquez once again, De La Cruz off the block. Cañedo, Kalikdan for the free ball.
And we are now at match point.
We are waiting for the official call of the first referee.
Let's wait for the call. stays with Alaminos City.
Serving for the match, jersey number 6, Cañedo. Tempra is there. Marquez to the middle. Shapno.
And
We are not yet done.
yes! Extended third set.
We are all tied up at 24.
This is race to 26.
Rariza,
Credo gets the
Credo.
point.
sa sobrang bilis nun, partner, nabulol ako.
Match point number 2 for Kalikdan.
Serving for the match. Tempra is there. Pimentel.
And that is outside. Another match point saved.
We are still not yet done.
Race to 27.
Alaminos City. You are fun. Radam serving. Rariza. Tukaalim block.
Kaalim is blocked. And match point for Team Sual.
Rariza. Tokredo.
Hindi pa talaga tayo tapos. Hindi pa.
Tied at 26. Serving. Credo. Pimentel. Marquez. Pimentel.
And there's a check ball. Match point. Number 2 for Team Sual.
Shapno. Enriquez. Rariza. Tukaalim.
And that is outside! Panalo po ang Team Sual
That is
laban
called
sa
out.
Alaminos. Wow, what a game! What a celebration here for Team Sual.
Congratulations to Team Swal winning 2 sets to 1.
Wow!
And
What
also
a game!
a great game for Team Alaminos City. Thank you for having us here.
What a game. Congratulations to Team Sual. Talagang kumapit sila hanggang dulo. And congratulations also to Team Alaminos City for giving Sual a great game. And our player of the game is with our courtside reporter, Miss Samantha Luis de Guzman.
That wraps up an intense last game in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nakita naman natin mula sa Municipality of Alaminos kung gaano sila ka-compose and consistent sa loob ng court from the first set up until the second set. Mula sa Team Usual naman nakita natin na hindi naging maganda ang kanilang start. But at the end of the first set, kitang-kita natin ang kanilang all-out effort, sipag, and also ang kanilang sipag sa kanilang defensive floor defense mula sa Team Alaminos. Kaya naman nakuha nila ang victory for tonight. Congratulations for our winning team, Municipality of Sual, and still congratulations for Alaminos City for giving us a competitive and exciting match-up. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Team Sual, player number 10, Kirby Radam, having 3 attacks, 3 blocks, and 4 aces. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So nakita naman natin you had a tie game with Team Alaminos. Sa tingin mo, ano yung biggest factor kung bakit nakuha niyo yung panalo at nakapagbigay kayo ng unang pagkatalo ng Alaminos?
For me po, ang biggest factor kaya po kami nanalo is tinapakan po talaga namin every point is binigay po namin lahat, and isa lang po ang sinasabi ko kanina while nagsaserve, sinasabi ko po sa mga ka-team ko na tapang mukha, kayo mukha na lang yung matapang sa amin, yun lang. And every point is kinakayod talaga namin, yun lang po.
Kita namin sa team ninyo na hindi lang ikaw kundi ang buong team ng SWAL, kitang-kita namin yung sipag and also yung tapang nyo sa loob ng court. So after this hard-earned win, ano yung pakiramdam? Nakakuha kayo ng win for your municipality?
Masaya po kasi nanggaling po kami sa 2-2 na natalo po kami last game po namin sa Aguilar. So kailangan po naming bumawi, and thank you po sa management po namin, sina Sir Fa, sina Ma'am Jessa, sina Sir Lian, and sa mama ko po na nanonood abroad, and sa tita ko po na nanonood from Hong Kong, and sa ate ko po, and sa mga friend ko po, and sa mga ka-teammate ko po.
Thank you so much, and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our last game here in the Western Conference. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng teams, coaches, officials, and also sa ating mga volleyball fans na nagkokompleto sa ating bawat games. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Thank you very much and have a great night, volleyball fans. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
And with that, we come to an end of another thrilling day of volleyball here at the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, live from the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
What an incredible Sunday it has been. We witnessed outstanding rallies, powerful attacks, remarkable saves, and inspiring displays of teamwork and sportsmanship from all the participating municipalities. Congratulations to all the teams for giving us another unforgettable day of volleyball action, and to our players of the game for their exceptional performances.
To everyone who joined us here at the venue, and to all our viewers watching through our live coverage from different parts of Pangasinan and beyond, maraming salamat for your continued support. Your energy, enthusiasm, and love for the sport continue to inspire our athletes to give their very best every time they step onto the court.
Of course, this tournament would not be possible without the unwavering support and vision of our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Vigica III. Governor Ramon Monmon Vigica III, thank you for your steadfast commitment to promoting sports and for creating opportunities for our Pangasinense athletes to develop their talents, pursue excellence, and bring pride to their respective municipalities. Your dedication continues to strengthen not only volleyball but also the spirit of unity and camaraderie throughout our province. On behalf of our entire live coverage team, I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner,
Joseph Soriano.
thanking each and every one of you making us a part of your Sunday.
We'll be taking a short break, but the excitement doesn't end here. We'll see you again next week for another action-packed weekend for the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. Where more thrilling matches, unforgettable moments, and the best of Pangasinan volleyball await. Until then, keep safe, have a wonderful week ahead, and continue supporting our local athletes.
This has been the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Pangasinan, ang galing! Mabuhay ang sports, mabuhay ang Pangasinan, at magandang gabi mga kababayan!